evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. What is our topic today? Cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, all are plotted cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, sir. So, once you show me once, all of you.
In cyclic quadrilateral, all supplement.
Yes. You can explain.
In cyclic quadrilateral, all two pairs are supplementary.
Then you can once you show me once.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Here.
Next. Opposite angle, na?
Yes, sir.
That become also 90 degrees. Next in this group. So here, what you are getting that? What is the shape of that? What is the shape? Shape name?
Trapezium.
Trapezium, right? So are you getting that the opposite sides are equal in the sense 180 degrees?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, once you show me once.
110 degrees.
110 degrees. Opposite angle.
Opposite.
Yes.
70 degrees.
70 degrees. So 110 plus 70 becomes 180 in this group. So what is the type of what type of quadrilateral it is? That means cyclic quadrilateral.
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangle. Right. Next.
This is 90
90
degrees. This also 90 degrees.
Then here
This also,
opposite angle, right?
yes, sir. This also 90 degrees.
That one also 90 degrees. The both four angles are equal to 360 degrees. Right.